Good morning, my dear student. In the previous class, we had learned that the data can be arranged by using a telemark or by a pictograph. Today, we are going to learn one more method to represent the data, that is a bar graph. And we will learn how to do the interpretation of a bar graph.
A bar graph is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. Bar graph can have horizontal or vertical bars. It is useful for comparing the facts. We can use bar graph to show the relative sizes of many things such as what type of fruits people like to eat. By observing a bar graph, we can understand what kind of data it represents and draw certain conclusions from it. This is known as the interpretation of a bar graph. Now let us try to interpret the bar graph which are given in exercise 9.3 and try to give the answers based on the bar graph. Question number 1 is the bar graph given alongside shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998-2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observations. In which year was the wheat production maximum? From the given bar graph, it is clear that in 2002 the wheat production was maximum. Second question is, in which year was the wheat production minimum? So you can see in 1998 the wheat production was minimum. Question number 2 is, observe this bar graph which is showing the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Now answer the following question. What information does the above bar graph give? You can see this bar graph shows the number of shirts sold from Monday to Saturday. Second question, what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirts? Here the scale chosen is 1 unit length which is equals to 5 shirts. Third part, on which day were the maximum number of shirts sold and how many shirts were sold on that day? From the given bar graph, you can see on Saturday maximum number of shirts were sold, that is 60. D part, on which day were the minimum number of shirts sold? Tuesday, the minimum number of shirts were sold. E part, how many shirts were sold on Thursday? From the given bar graph, 35 shirts were sold on Thursday. Now coming to the question number 3, observe this bar graph which shows the marks obtained by Aziz in the half-yearly examination in different subjects and answer the given questions. First question is, what information does the bar graph give? This bar graph shows the marks obtained by Aziz in different subjects. Second part, name the subject in which Aziz scored the maximum marks. In Hindi subject, Aziz scored the maximum marks. C part, name the subject in which he has scored the minimum marks. So you can see in social studies, Aziz scored the minimum marks. Now coming to the last part, state the name of the subjects and marks obtained in each of them. So from the bar graph you can see in Hindi he scored 80 marks, in English he scored 60 marks, in mathematics he scored 70 marks, in science he scored 50 marks and in social studies he scored 40 marks.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understood how to do the interpretation of a bar graph. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.